primetime news this evening. Is artificial intelligence the future of education? Suspects in robbery heist identified. And later, burial space controversy.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it can be described as an oldie but goodie. What am I talking about? Castor oil, good for hair and also used in skincare products. So in the business day, we'll update you on the big plans to boost castor oil production in Jamaica.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, two new faces among the names listed for Jamaica's squad for their match against Mexico in the CONCACAF Nations League. And the two players play in England. I'll tell you who they are in Primetime Sports Monday.
And looking all serious on a Monday, Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, this week we do have some clouds and showers expected for much of the week. That's today as well as for tomorrow and on Wednesday. But Thursday, we're expecting things to get a bit drier across the island. I'll have more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what steps are you taking to protect yourself when using ATMs?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.